guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ella Kira. So today's video is I'm going to unbox an eyeshadow palette from Mika and I'm going to unpack a winter jacket from Kathmandu. So I'm going to unpack first the Kathmandu winter jacket, guys. So let's start. So this is the Kathmandu winter jacket, guys. It doesn't come like this. Meron siyang cover pa dito sa labas. Pero tinapon ko na siya, guys, kasi alam nyo na, mahirap na kaysa mag-disinfect ako, no? So tinapon ko agad. So ito na lang yung natira na cover niya. So this is the one. The size of this winter jacket is size 6, which is extra small. Yung size niya is hindi Asian size, Western size siya, guys. So I'm just gonna unpack this one. Ayan, so ito, guys. Vest pala siya, guys. Vest, winter vest. Wala pa kasi akong winter vest. Ayan, so this is it. Ayan, guys. So this brand, the Kathmandu, is one of the popular brands here in New Zealand. I'm not sure in other countries as well, but dito sa New Zealand, ito yung popular brand talaga. Isa sa mga popular na brand, Kathmandu. And this is my first time to buy a branded, like kinda expensive brand na winter jacket. Kasi mostly yung mga jacket ko is brandless. Wala siyang mga brand, guys. Nasa online shopping ko lang siya binili. Meron ako isa na branded, pero nag-sale. $10 lang yung bili ko. So ito talaga yung first time na bili ko na branded tsaka expensive kasi mahal talaga siya, guys, ang Kathmandu. Ayan, so ito siya, guys. Ayan. So yung original price niya, guys, pag hindi siya nag-sale is 299.98 New Zealand dollars. So ayan, yan yung price niya pag hindi nag-sale. Pero swerte ako kasi nag-sale siya. Nag-sale siya, guys. So yung binayaran ko is $99 na lang. O di ba? Malaki yung save ko. So sulit na sulit na. So once again, bumibili lang ako ng mga branded clothes, guys, pag nag-sale siya. Minsan, bumibili ako kahit hindi nag-sale, pero bihira lang talaga, guys. Mostly, dapat mag-sale siya. Ito, kung hindi ito nag-sale, hindi talaga ako bibili kasi marami naman akong jacket dyan. Pero wala lang talaga akong base. So kaya, since nag-sale siya, ginagrab ko na lang. So itatry ko lang, guys, ha. Yellow green yung kulay sa loob. Dapat red sana, no? Kasi favorite color ko is red. Wala kasing ibang kulay. Ayan. See? Ooh! Very fit siya, guys. Tamang-tama lang talaga sa akin. Try natin ganyan. Meron dito. Ayan. So, this siya. Ayan. Very warm siya, guys. As in, very warm. Pang winter talaga. Napakaganda. And what I love is yung design niya dito na Kathmandu. Ay, I love it. And then parang pwede mo ding maganyan. I think pwede mo ding maganyan. Ayan. Then, magsuot ako ng turtleneck dito at saka long sleeve. So, okay na siya. Warm na siya. Ang ganda, guys. Gusto ko. Kasyang-kasya lang talaga siya sa akin. Ayan. Ready for winter! Next is I'm gonna unbox the eyeshadow palette from Mika. This is what I've been waiting for, guys. I'm quite excited because this is my first time to use this product. So, we'll see! And by the way, guys, this Mika brands, this is actually a website where you can find different brands of makeups like MAC, Morphe, NARS, basta maraming mga branded makeup dun. So, isa na ito. The brand of this one is Too Faced. Too Faced siya, guys. So, hindi ko pa siya narinig before at hindi ko siya na-try. But no, nakita ko yung ad sa Facebook, guys. Super ganda niya. At nakita ko yung mga feedbacks. Mostly sa mga feedbacks is positive. So, I decided to order one and try it. So, here it is. Let's open it. Wow. Ito na, guys. Ayan. Oh, so, ito yung totoong packaging niya. Totoong packaging. Ayan. Wow. Ayan, guys. Very decent yung packaging niya, guys. I love the color. Ayan. So, actually, guys, meron siyang choices doon sa packaging na gusto mo. Meron siyang recycle box, which is cheaper. It's the same. The same lang yung shipping fee. It's up to you if you like the recycle or this one, the signature box. So, I choose this one since it's the same shipping fee. And then dito meron siyang brand na Mika. Ayan. Very nice, guys. And this is the front. Ayan. Right, so let's open. I'm so excited, guys. Every time na meron akong new stuff, excited ako always. Wait lang, ha? Ayan, ito na. Look, patriling sila. Patriling pa, guys. Meron pa talagang cover. Oh. Ayan, super safe. Akala ko, ano na agad, makita ko na agad. So, ito na. Patriling. Ay. Wow, it smells so good. Parang flower yung smell niya, guys. I mean, yung scent niya. Ang galing. Ganda. Wow, meron silang freebie. Oh, skincare. Di ko alam to. Hindi ko to in-order, guys. So, meron silang freebie. Ang ganda, oh. Baka alam nila, no, na wala akong skincare. Ayan, guys. Wow. And, this is it. So, this is the palette. Ayan. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is so cute. It's like a chocolate. Para talaga siyang chocolate, guys. Tingnan niyo yung likod. Diba? Para siyang chocolate. Very nice. Tsaka ano siya, light lang. So, i-open na natin, ha. Ay, akala ko ito na box. Akala ko ito na agad. Sabi ko. Pero, ito para sa loob yung ano talaga, yung palette. Ang daming box naman. Ay, same lang. Same lang, guys. Ayan. Ito. Chocolate. Parang Hershey's chocolate, oh. Excited na ba kayo, guys? Excited na kasi ako. Ito. Open natin, ha? So, kayo una makakita, guys. Ayan. Papakita ko, ha? Oh my god. Look at that one. Look how pretty is that. The shades all. Hala, super ganda. Oh my god. Hala, ang ganda nyo, guys. Ano ito? Mirror. Ciao. Yan. Hala, super ganda nyo talaga. Yung brand niya is andito. Too Faced. Hala, gusto ko yung mga shades. Ito talaga yung nakita ko sa ad sa Facebook, guys. Ito, guys. Nilapit ko talaga siya para makita nyo na kung gaano siya kaganda. Ayan, super ganda ng mga shimmers niya, guys. I can't wait to try this. Ayan, this one is meron siyang sulat na Born This Way. Ayan, guys. Super ganda. So, itatry ko siya, guys, ngayon. But before ako mag-try, pakita ko to sa inyo. Ano siya? Meron siyang guide. Too Faced Born This Way, The Natural News, How to Glamour Guide. Ayan. Which is nice. Meron siyang mga steps kung paano mag-eyeshadow. So, yung gagawin ko ngayon, guys, is ilalagay ko lahat ng shade dito para makita natin talaga yung lahat ng shade niya, yung resulta niya, bago ko mag-apply sa eyes ko, guys. So, itry natin itong Swan. This one. Yan, try natin ito, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Not sure if makita nyo. Ayan. So, yan yung kulay ng Swan. Very light lang. Hindi siya masyadong halata dito, guys. So, dito ko na lang ipahid, guys. Ayan. Try natin ulit yung Swan. Ayan. Wow. Maganda siya. Parang dry na super light. Tsaka yung kulay niya, ayan, para siyang pang base. Try natin itong Shimmering Pearl. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Very nice. Shimmer na shimmer talaga, oh. Grabe siya maka-shimmer. Wow. Next, try natin itong nude. Ayan, guys. Try natin ito. So, very new talaga, guys. Not sure if nakikita nyo. Ayan. Wow. Lagyan nga natin. Ulit. Oh. Ang ganda. Parang kape. Parang coffee. Ang ganda niya, guys. Ayan. So, next is itry natin itong rose gold na shimmer. Ito, guys. Ito. Ayan. Rose gold. Wow. I love the shimmers. Ayan, nakikita nyo, guys. Obvious ba? Super ganda. Ayan. So, next is warm rose. Ito. Warm rose, guys. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Try natin ito. Ayan, ha. Wow. Wow, very nice. Para siyang old rose. Bagay itong shimmer na to. Ang rose gold. At saka ito. I-partner. Ayan, super ganda. Next is, itry natin itong golden light na shimmers. Shimmer. Ito, guys. Yan. Wow. Oh my God. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung mga shimmers. Nag-shimmer talaga siya, guys. Sobrang ganda. This is really good for nighttime. Next is, itong kukwa. Ayan, ito, guys. Dito ko na lang ilagay. Ayan. Wow. Parang chocolate. Kukwa nga, diba? Chocolate. Ayan, guys. Parang maputi kasi ako yung skin tone ko. So, hindi siya masyadong obvious siguro sa camera kasi ano siya, nude yung mga shades niya. So, next is the Sparkling Sable. Ito, guys. Another shimmer shade. So, try natin to. Wow. Hindi ko na alam saan. Dito. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. It's so pretty, guys. Wow. Ganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda niya. Ganda lahat, oh. Next is itong Born This Way. Yan, ito, guys. Yan. So, ito yung partner nito, guys. Ang Born This Way. Yan. So, dito lang. Oh my God, so sexy. I love this shade. Dark siya. Ayan. So, next is Sugared Chestnut. Another shimmer. This one. Wow. Ay, ang ganda din. Chestnut na chestnut. Ayan, guys. I love all the shimmers. Yan, next is Maple. Ito, guys, may pagka-brown siya. Sana mahalata siya sa camera. Wow. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda din. Halos lahat maganda. Ayan. So, next is this Sparkling Rum. This one, may pagka-pink, dark pink. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Wow, super sexy. Super sexy ng shimmer na to, guys. Next is the Petal. This one, may pagka-ano siya, beige color. Ayan. Super light. I'm not sure if you can see it, but super light na, guys. Very nude talaga. Lagyan ko ulit, ha. Ayan. Ayan lang siya. Very feminine. So, next is the Sparkling Sand. Another shimmer. Ayan. Ito. Wow. Mapapasmile talaga ako basta mga shimmers na, guys. Ayan. I hope you can see it. But, that's the one. Next is Seashell. Ayan. So, last two na lang, guys. Ito na lang dalawa. Seashell at Glistening Snow. At matatapos na tayo. Very nude. Wala akong masyadong makita. Maganda siya pang base. I think pang base lang talaga siya, guys. Lagyan ko ulit, ha. Ayan. Pang base lang talaga siya. So, yan yung Seashell. And ito din, Glistening Snow. Another shimmer. Shimmer shade ito. Yan, guys. So, ilagay ko dito. Last one. Ayan. Last shade. Shimmer din siya, guys. Ayan. Super ganda. Ayan, guys. So, sana nahalata nyo, no? Ito siya. Nag-shimmer siya, guys. Pero, parang shimmer siya na pang base. Ayan. So, since natapos ko na lahat, mailagay lahat ng shades dito, guys, I'm gonna try to apply some of the shades dito sa mata ko. I'm gonna try this darker shades right here. So, I'm gonna try the Maple. This one. This one, guys. So, ito na yung dark shades niya, guys. The Maple, Truffle, and the Sparkling Sable. And I'm using the blending brush from Revlon. Yan yung brush na ito, guys. Yan. So, I'm using blending brush para mag-smoke talaga yung dating niya, guys. So, overall review, I love this palette. I'm happy. Kahit hindi ko binabasa yung brush, but nagpipigment siya, guys, which is good. And it's too easy to blend. Nag-smoke agad siya nung biniblend ko siya sa blending brush. And by the way, guys, the price of this palette is 79 New Zealand dollars, which is 2,500 in pesos, if converted, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. And then free shipping siya, so you don't need to worry. And the other good thing is, yung delivery niya, it's a very fast delivery. It only takes 3 days. So, marireceive mo agad siya. So, if you want to order, guys, I'm gonna put the website down below in my description. Just please check it out if you're interested. So, before I end this video pala, guys, meron akong isha-shout out. So, shout out ako ni Sisilabs Arlene Verdida. Pambansang Kalbo, hi bro, big shout out sa'yo. Sisilabs Ami Coral, big shout out sa'yo, Sisi. At shout out ako ni Join Fun World. So, shout out sa'yo. At ni Lorman Sanchez, big shout out to you. And big shout out to Simple Ragas as well. At ni Sisilabs ko, May Oriada, May Oriada. Ayan, big shout out sa iyo, Sisilabs. Salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagsuporta sa aking channel din. So, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you don't forget to give me like and feel free to share. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!